Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best gaming laptop is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of technology for any serious gamer, offering the power and portability to conquer virtual worlds wherever you go, but with so many options flooding the market, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a minefield of specs and price points, making it crucial to understand what truly sets a champion apart from the rest. Number 5. K1 RGB Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Experience efficient typing and gaming with this full-size keyboard. Its standard layout and comfortable keycaps make it perfect for any task. Plus, it's plug and play, so you can start using it right away without any extra drivers. Designed with your comfort in mind, this keyboard features an ergonomic layout that naturally fits your hands. This reduces fatigue during long work or gaming sessions. Non-slip pads ensure it stays stable, making it ideal for both work and play. Immerse yourself in a world of color with its fantastic RGB backlight. Choose from 8 colors and 5 modes, with adjustable brightness and speed. The letters are always clear, even in the dark, and you can easily customize the lighting effects. This mouse offers 6 adjustable DPI levels for precision in any situation, from work to intense gaming. Its high-speed transmission ensures quick and accurate movements. The 7-color breathing LED backlight can even be locked to your favorite color. Built with durable materials and a stable USB 2.0 connection, this combo ensures reliable performance. It works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems, making it a versatile choice for any computer setup. What we like. This keyboard offers a full-size layout with a number pad, perfect for both work and gaming. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long sessions, and the customizable RGB backlighting adds a stylish flair. If you're looking for a versatile and comfortable keyboard that doesn't break the bank, this is a solid choice. What people say. The laptop has a powerful processor and graphics card, making it excellent for gaming. The display is crisp and vibrant with a high refresh rate, providing a smooth visual experience. The keyboard is comfortable to type on and features customizable RGB backlighting. Number 4. Acer 4-port USB 3.0 hub. Instantly add 4 USB 3.0 ports to your device. It's perfect for connecting essential peripherals like flash drives, mice, keyboards, and printers. Experience rapid data transfers with speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. You can move movies, photos, and files in mere seconds. For optimal performance with hard drives, power it via the USB-C port. Equipped with an advanced chip and excellent thermal design, it ensures your devices and data remain safe. Enjoy seamless plug-and-play functionality without needing any drivers. Its slim, lightweight design and 2-foot cable make it incredibly portable. Easily slip it into your bag for work or travel, and the LED indicator lets you know it's active. This adapter works with a wide range of devices and operating systems, including Acer, XPS, PS4, Xbox, laptops, and supports Mac OS, Windows, Chrome OS, and Linux. The USB-C port is solely for powering the hub, ensuring stable data transfers for all connected devices. It does not support data transfer or charging other devices. What we like. This USB hub is designed to expand your connectivity with 4 high-speed USB 3.0 ports. It supports data transfers up to 5 gigabits per second and features a Type-C power port for stable performance with demanding devices. If you frequently need to connect multiple USB peripherals to your laptop and require reliable, fast data transfer, this hub is an excellent solution. What people say. The laptop has a powerful processor and a dedicated graphics card, making it suitable for demanding games. The display offers vibrant colors and a high refresh rate, providing a smooth and immersive gaming experience. The keyboard is responsive and features customizable RGB backlighting, enhancing gameplay and aesthetics. Number 3. All-in-one keyboard and screen cleaning kit. Discover our upgraded cleaning kit, designed to tackle all your electronic cleaning needs. It includes a variety of tools for a comprehensive clean. Effortlessly clean your keyboards, from mechanical to laptop keys. The retractable brush and metal pin tip ensure a deep, thorough clean. Achieve spotless screens with our specially designed polishing cloths and cleaning spray. It effectively removes stubborn stains without leaving streaks. This kit isn't just for keyboards and screens. It's perfect for delicate surfaces like camera lenses, earbuds, and charging cases. Its compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Keep one in your bag, car, or desk for quick cleanups. Surprise your friends and family with this essential electronic cleaning tool. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves their gadgets. What we like. This comprehensive cleaning kit is designed to keep all your electronics in pristine condition. It includes a retractable brush, multiple cleaning cloths, a keycap puller, and specialized tools for screens and delicate surfaces. If you want a convenient and effective way to maintain your keyboard, laptop, and other gadgets, this portable kit is a must-have. What people say. The laptop has a powerful processor and a dedicated graphics card, making it suitable for demanding games. The display offers vibrant colors and a high refresh rate, providing a smooth and immersive gaming experience. The keyboard is responsive with customizable RGB backlighting, enhancing gameplay and aesthetics. Number 2. ASUS TUF-15, 2022, Gaming Laptop. Experience incredibly smooth gameplay with cutting-edge AI features like NVIDIA DLSS and ray tracing. This device delivers silky smooth graphics, powered by its advanced graphics card. A dedicated MUX switch allows the graphics card to communicate directly with the display. This significantly boosts performance and reduces latency for a more responsive experience. Multitask and stream with ease thanks to its powerful processor and 16 GB of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM. It's ready for anything you throw at it, running on Windows 11. Stay ahead of the competition with its stunning 144Hz Full HD display. Enjoy sharp and fluid visuals that keep you immersed in the action. Store your entire game library and load them in a flash with its spacious 512GB SSD. Experience the full potential of RTX gaming without long loading times. Dual arc flow fans with anti-dust technology ensure optimal cooling. This extends the system's longevity, keeping it running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. This gaming laptop meets military-grade toughness standards, tested against drops, vibration, and extreme temperatures. You can rely on its durability for years to come. What we like. This gaming laptop is built for high-performance gaming with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. Its 144Hz display ensures smooth visuals, and it boasts fast DDR5 RAM for seamless multitasking. If you're a serious gamer looking for a powerful machine with cutting-edge components and a fast refresh rate display, this laptop is an exceptional option. What people say. The laptop has a powerful processor and a dedicated graphics card, which allows it to run demanding games smoothly. The display is vibrant and has a high refresh rate, providing an immersive gaming experience. The keyboard is responsive and comfortable for long gaming sessions, with customizable RGB backlighting. Number 1. Acer Nitro 5 and 515-57 Gaming Laptop. Unleash incredible power for all your games with the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. This machine is built for victory, offering top-tier performance for every gaming session. Experience ultimate gaming performance with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics. Its advanced architecture delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, bringing your games to life. Immerse yourself in full HD detail on the vibrant 15.6-inch IPS display. With a 144Hz refresh rate, every world you explore will be rendered with breathtaking clarity and fluidity. Enjoy lightning-fast load times and seamless multitasking with 8GB of DDR4 memory and a speedy 512GB NVMe SSD. Upgradability is also built in for future needs. Stay ahead of the competition with Killer Doubleshot Pro. It intelligently manages your Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections, ensuring maximum speed and control for uninterrupted online battles. Keep your cool during intense gaming marathons with advanced cooling technology. It boosts fan speed and enhances thermal performance, ensuring comfort and sustained power. Instantly monitor your laptop's performance with the dedicated NitroSense button. Visualize component temperatures, fan speeds, and more to optimize your gaming experience. What we like. This gaming laptop offers a great balance of performance and value, featuring an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti and an 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. The 144Hz display provides a fluid gaming experience, and killer Wi-Fi 6 ensures a stable, fast online connection. If you're a gamer seeking a capable machine with a high refresh rate screen and prioritized network performance for competitive play, this laptop is a strong contender. What people say. The laptop has a powerful processor and a dedicated graphics card, making it excellent for gaming. The display is vibrant and has a high refresh rate, which provides a smooth visual experience during gameplay. The keyboard is comfortable to type on and features customizable RGB backlighting for a personalized gaming setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.